Hey guys, I'm going to do a special edition of my squishies video. So let's begin. First of all, I have this Nikito cat squishy. I just think it's awesome. Yeah. Oh, kind of say it for me. And then I have, whoa, look at the back, and it's like brand new. The back has some bad things coming out of it. It's bad. But yeah, I have this donut. Then I have some other squishies. So there is the squishies. So I have the pineapple bun. And it's a cat face. And it has this black strap. So yeah. Then I have this panda bun, which I think it's awesome. But it just has like a little scratch there. So yeah. And then I have this other big sweet bun. And then this is the most common around here, so I don't think that it's that rare. So yeah. So do you think? No. Okay, then I have this squishy. And this one actually smells good. Oh, it used to smell good, like fresh baked buns. Now it just smells like, oh, chlorine. So yeah, have that one. And then I have this sweet. So I'm just gonna do that. So I have this squishy, and it's whoops, it's like, it's not from Kawaii Land, but I know that they have the same squishy, but it's still not from Kawaii Land. So yeah, and they have really big drops on this, by the way. So I don't know why, but yeah. And then I have this cake roll. Wait, I have this cake roll, and I actually like this one way better than the other one I have, because this one's more better and has like better drizzle. So yeah. And then I have this squishy, and that's awesome. So yeah. And I have this one, and it's actually kind of messed up. You can probably see why, because it's just like that. I have no idea why. I don't know. And I'm kind of sad, because it's like broken. Like, I still don't know why. I'm not sure. Oh, I dropped the squishy. Sad. Okay. Then I have this. And I have this other squishy. And I think it's awesome. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. And then I have these spreads. So I have this on here because I kind of like this face. So, yeah. And then I have this small toast compared to this really big toast. So, they're actually way smaller. This one isn't even the same size. It's not even close. But it's like that. And then I have this really Kuma bread. And I like to keep all my squishies in packaging because if you don't keep them in packaging, then they could rip or just, yeah, it could have defects on it later on. So, yeah. And then next we're going to move on to the character squishies. So, yeah. So, first, as the character squishies, I have this burger mirror, and the cheese just feels really real. So, yeah, I'm just going to open it. So, it looks like that, and I think that's awesome. And then I have this San X Kuma squishy. It's actually the old one. I think this one was made in 2010. I'm not that sure, so yeah. And then I have this other one where it's the Mama Shiba one, but it's not the green Mama Shiba. It's actually the different color. And then I have this other burger, and it has a heart right there, and it kind of has like a defect right there. So yeah. And then I have this one where it's all pink in the back because it's kind of stayed in the packaging too long, and I didn't want that to happen. So yeah. And then I have this one, and it kind of got with my Decodent and the thing that I use for my squishies to make drizzles, so it accidentally had like that green stuff on my squishy. And so yeah, thanks for watching the special edition, and sorry if my video was kind of boring. Yeah. And I didn't want my video to be boring. So, sorry for that, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Explosion.